The House That Learned Her Name Scary Story. Arrival. The house stands alone, ribs of wood showing through peeling paint. When Mara steps inside, the door shuts behind her on its own. The air smells old, like breath held too long. First night. At 2:17 a.m., something knocks from inside the walls. 3 slow taps. Pause. 3 more. The sound follows her as she moves, always just behind. The mirror. In the bathroom, the mirror fogs though the room is cold. Words appear in the steam. Turn around. She doesn't. The reflection does. The basement. A light flickers below. She finds stairs she doesn't remember. At the bottom, a child's voice hums her name, each note wrong. Revelation morning comes. Neighbours watch as Mara leaves smiling. In the house, something else wakes, finally wearing her face.